Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to climb on top of the Midas tower in Neverness to Everness. So this is a tower which we want to access. So first of all, come to this location and then just go inside this building. Now take right and go from this passage. Now just go down here and then you will enter this realm. From here we have to jump and then go upstairs. Then just keep following this path. Also, you may fall from this place. When that happens, just go near the building and then you will be able to climb it and reach this place again. Finally, we have to jump down here and then activate this phone booth in order to set a teleport point. So this is the way to reach here. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.